Welcome to our DIY tutorial on turning old Sarees into stunning designer bags. Have old Sarees gathering dust? Learn how to upcycle them into beautiful, one-of-a-kind designer bags. It's easier than you think. This project isn't just about fashion, it's about sustainability. Save money, express your creativity, and help the planet. We'll guide you through every step, from selecting your Saree to the final stitch. Let's get started. First things first, let's gather everything you'll need for this exciting transformation. The star of the show, your old Sarees. Any fabric type works: silk, cotton, or even georgette. The more unique, the better. You'll need a sewing machine, matching thread, and a good pair of fabric scissors. Precision is key. Don't forget the finishing touches: zippers, straps, and a durable lining fabric to make your bag functional and stylish. Preparation is crucial for a professional finish. Let's get your Saree fabric ready. Wash and iron your Saree thoroughly to ensure it's clean and wrinkle-free. This makes cutting and sewing much easier. Carefully cut your Saree into the desired bag pattern pieces. Measure twice, cut once. Now for the exciting part, bringing your bag to life. Let's start assembling. Stitch the main body pieces together according to your pattern. Take your time for neat seams. Add the lining and any desired pockets. This provides structure and keeps your belongings organized. Securely attach your zippers and straps. These elements are vital for both function and style. Almost there. It's time for those important final touches. Want to add more flair? Embellish your bag with beads, embroidery, or fabric paint to make it truly unique. Give your bag a thorough final inspection and trim any loose threads. Perfection is in the details. And there you have it, your very own designer bag, handcrafted from an old Saree. Isn't it stunning? The possibilities are endless. Experiment with different Saree types and bag designs to create a whole collection. We encourage you to try this viral DIY trend. Share your creations with us using #DSaree and inspire others. Happy crafting!